Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Irfan. We have to discuss how to find out the factorial of this fraction here. In my last lecture, we have discussed what is factorial. For example, here, this is 5 factorial. This is the notation of the factorial. This is the sign of the factorial here. 5 factorial means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Factorial means the product of n till 1. For example, here this is n factorial. So we have to expand this one n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on. 1, second last number 2 and the last number is 1. So we can expand this one till 1. So here this is 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1, we have to consider it as n. This is n. So we have to apply this formula here. So this is 2n plus 1. So n 2n plus 2. n minus 1, that means 2n plus 2 minus 1. 2n plus 2 we are going to consider as n. Then this is 2n plus 2 minus 2, this one. Then this is 2n plus 2 minus 3, and here we have to stop this factorial. This is 2n minus 1 to the whole factorial. Just simplify it. This is 2n plus 2, 2n plus 1, 2 minus 1 is plus 1. This 2 will cancel out to this one, and this is 2n. 2n, 2 minus 3, it is equals to minus 1. So this is 2n minus 1. We have the same factor in the denominator. That is why we have to stop this factorial here. So this is 2n minus 1 factorial. So this factor will cancel out to this one, and this is the answer. 2n plus 2 times 2n plus 1 and 2n. This is the answer of this factorial fraction. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Irfan. Allah Hafiz.